Hey guys, today we're gonna show you exactly how we turn just $100 into $1,000 in really short time, and the best part, we did it using just three tools: Axiom Trade, Hyperliquid, and the new Dextra copy trading bot. Honestly, half the time we weren't even trading manually, we were just watching Dextra copy trades from big whales who knows way more than we do. Because let's be real, why trade yourself when you can just copy the pros? In the video, we will break down how to use Axiom to get quick profits, 2x, 3x, 5x gains in just a second, where to find the top performing wallets on Hyperliquid to automated profits, and how to let Dextra copy trades for you, following the best wallets with real results. Let's dive in. First of all, you will need Axiom trading platform because there we started with the $100 to trade some GTA 6 tokens, because yesterday was dropped the second GTA 6 trailer, and that was main thing what to trade, because they released the Jason Derulo will be the main character and we bought his token. We could make 12x on our investment, but we rebought only after the second pump, so we made only $100. But we started from $100 and we made already $200, so it's 2x on our investment. Second, we went to the Hyperliquid trading walls. So in passive incomes, without the trading, no charts, no stress, just smart bots doing their things, and we just copy trading the big whales and the big walls who are trading smart. We made $438 in just one day. Per month, this wall generated 417% in profits. Guys, it's 4x. It's like you just do nothing and you're making money. So guys, we've been searching for this kind of walls for one full year, and we released those all walls, what is really profitable, in our Telegram channel. So guys, this bot is making like 100 trades per minute and you just sit and do nothing. That's why we made our Telegram channel, where we were sharing most important information. We analyzed more than 1,000 wallets per year, and we found some really good whales and traders who are profitable and making like 100,000 and millions in profit. And we made a system where you just can copy trade them and do nothing and see the profits, or analyze them and learn with us. Dextra bot, copy trading bot. This is the best and easiest bot on the market, where you can link it with Hyperliquid and without the KYC trade with leverage. So there's 3 easy steps to start copy trading. You just need to discover whales wallets, analyze them, and copy trade them. It's that easy, and you can just print a lot of money by doing that. We've been studying for hundreds of hours for 5 years whales wallets, and right now we're using also the Dextra bot, because it's just printing the money. You're sitting and doing nothing and it prints you money. Here is our profits from one of our wallets, what we were printing. It's from 10k, we made 450k in just in profits. The win rate is 75%, guys. And we're just checking other whales who are trading better than us, and we're just copying them. So it's that easy. So in our Telegram channel, we're offering and explaining how this bot works exactly. We also give you free wallets with profitable whales who are making a lot of cash, and you can just copy trade them. Just leave those $100 for a year and then go back and take those $1,000. So join our Telegram chat so we can give you all the information, how it works and how you can use that in your benefit. And also, after the Trump speech, the fear and greed index stayed the 53%, but the Bitcoin dominance dropped 63%, and all the market is just exploding. I think this is the start for the alt season, because Bitcoin again is more than 100k, Ethereum is 2k, Solana 160, and all other coins are just exploding. Like, this is in one day, the bigger tokens got 30%, and Howie said the bread token also got 40% surge in the last 24 hours. So guys, be ready for the alt season and copy trade with us.